guys, she's here. I still can't believe this is in my hand now. I've been wanting this camera for a while and I finally decided to treat myself with it. I know the GR4 is coming soon, but I don't really care because the one I got is the Diary Edition and it's my favorite out of all the Ricoh models out there. I love collecting cameras, but this is also the most I've spent on one ever. So this is very special to me. It's kind of like a little milestone. So let's unbox it together. I'm very excited. Oh, it comes with a little black frame, I think. Of this. The specific model of this is called the Ricoh GR3 Diary Edition. I decided on this because first of all, this is the cutest of them all. I think the only difference of the two is the lens, and this one has 28mm lens which has a wider view, and after doing all the research online, I think I prefer the look of the 28mm lens more. So this is my first ever Ricoh camera. She's so cute. Let me just quickly go through what else is in the box. Got a little strap. I'm gonna be taking my camera out with me today, so we can do a little test shoot. So excited. Ooh, it comes with a little... Oh, I think this is right. I heard that the battery runs out pretty quickly, so I think I'll have to get like 2 more extras online. It comes with a little memory card on the set. I have never heard of this brand before. I usually use SanDisk. If they include this in the set, it must be compatible, so I'm just gonna use this. Okay, pop it in. Okay, I'm gonna set it up. I know this camera came out in 2019, like 6 years ago, which is crazy that I'm paying full price for an old tech. Okay, wait. Ooh. Okay, I like what I'm seeing right now. It's very wide. If you're just interested in the test shoot and everything, you can skip ahead, but I did get some like accessories for the camera that I think is all you need for this. I always make sure to put on a screen protector on my camera on the very first day of owning them. I've made the mistake of not using one on my old G7X Mark II, and it just ended up with so many scratches on the screen. And ever since then, I make sure to put on one on all of my camera. I'm a firm believer of taking good care of the things you own. And I'm just gonna quickly put this on. I don't know why the one that I got is not sticking to the camera very well in this corner, but that would do for now. The seller also included this camera bag in the set as one of the freebies. I'm not sure if this is my style. I think it's kind of cute. But I also went online and got a little case for my camera. It's from this brand on Taobao. A lot of people recommended this brand on Xiaohongshu, so the leather feels really premium, and you also don't have to remove this case when you want to take battery out. It just pops right open at the bottom, which is nice. My camera has a little house now. The brown looks so good on the camera. Cute. Oh, 有 burger 那这的茶泡饭。对，你是小人茶之类。呀。 So the reason why I turned on my camera is because I got a little flashlight for my camera. This is from Meadow Light. It was highly recommended on Xiaohongshu, so I decided to get this. I believe you can find this everywhere, like on TikTok Shop or Shopee, but I got mine from Taobao because it was a little cheaper even with direct shipping. It comes in like a little mini suitcase. If you have the diary edition and you're looking for a little mini flashlight that matches your camera, this is the one. I have already tried on previously, so I'll insert like a little clip here. If you're looking for a professional tech review on this camera, this is not the place. I believe there are already tons of them online, but as someone that just loves to document her life, I love this camera. The other ASPC camera that I used to have was so big that I just never ever bring my big camera out with me. But now that I have this, I can't wait to take more pictures and document my life with this. It's currently raining outside right now, so I'm sorry if you can hear the constant like rumbling and thundering. I've had this camera for about a month now. I've taken some pictures with it that I really like. Most of them are taken with these 2 specific recipes that I've been using, which I thought you guys might be interested in. One of it is the famous Reggie's negative recipe, I think. And another one, I found it on Xiaohongshu again. I'm still in the process of experimenting with the recipes and stuff, but so far I've been loving taking this camera around with me. I think that it's a very straightforward camera. It's kind of like a point and shoot, but upgraded. But yeah, I'm very excited to be experimenting and learning more about this camera as we go. Let me know what's your favorite recipe on this camera because I would love to try them out. But yeah, I'm gonna insert some of my favorite shots that I have taken on this camera for the past month. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I'll see you on the next one.